Hi everyone, welcome to another CLDR preparation video on LabVIEW Advantage. Please pause the video if necessary to understand the requirement and then resume when ready. Let's begin. The question says, considering the two code snippets mentioned below, assuming all other factors remain constant, which of the statements are true? This is the comparison between the value property node and then the local variable. If you want to see more extensive review on this one, please search for how to initialize the control, the best method to initialize the control in LabVIEW. If you have seen that video, you already know that local variables are always faster than value property node. So in this case, the answer is going to be B. B is faster than A. Local variables stores and pass the data, while the property nodes, they also reflect the changes on the front panel. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next CLDR question. Please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to turn on the bell icon to be notified for new LabVIEW videos.